Today I decided to have a crab fest. Well, a seafood fest, I'm gonna put it that way. I have some stone crabs right here. I got these on sale today. And I have some lobster tail, so I'm gonna cook that up. I have some shrimp over here, and corn, and I have some potatoes. And the seasoning that I'm using, everybody just, they make their own seasoning, and this is what I decide. I guess I'll go along and flavor it. If I need extra seasoning, I'll just add it. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make this. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of garlic and some lemon juice. These crabs are already cooked from the store, fully cooked, so the only thing that I have to cook are the corn and the potatoes. Everything else is going to be really quick. I'm adding some garlic powder. Now, I'm not measuring anything, so I'm just going by my taste. I'm going to put a little crushed pepper in it, a little spice, not that much. I'm adding some Old Bay seasoning, and I'm just going to taste it as I go along to see if it's flavored enough. I decided to add some chicken broth for more flavor. Some people add beer. If I had beer, I probably would add it, but I don't have any beer. There's no right or wrong way to making crabs. You make it according to your taste. And I'm just going to taste the water now to see if I need any crabs. I need some salt and pepper. Salt. Pepper. Add some lemon juice. I'm going to add some onions. More flavor, and I'm going to add some more Old Bay seasoning because it's not seasoned enough. So I'm going to add a little more. Okay. Stir it up. Oh, this smells delicious. You guys should smell this. Oh my gosh. We're going to also add the potatoes. Let's get that in there. This water really has to be seasoned well, because if not, then your vegetables are going to taste very bland. So now I'm going to add the shrimp. I'm going to add the lobster tail. I'll make some room here. Look at that. It's turning orange. Look how, oh, look at that. Gorgeous. I always get so excited to see the color change when I'm boiling shellfish. Well guys, look at this deliciousness all in one plate. Wow. My mouth is watering. Well guys, I thank you again for tuning in for another video. Please stay tuned for more coming videos. Thank you for watching. God bless. Good night.